Hello dear students, welcome to the third part of chapter 6, that is On the Face of It by Susan Hill. And in the previous video we had covered the fact that after a nice interaction with Mr. Lamb, wherein Mr. Lamb has been guiding Derry to have a different outlook towards life, and he has been asking him peculiar things, and Derry is feeling very, very different with him because till now in his life nobody has spoken to him things like the way they are being done today. And when he asks, that how Mr. Lamb makes the most of this thought process, so he says that it is through these three things: watching, listening, and thinking. And here in the previous video we kind of concluded here, wherein Derry feels a little challenged when Mr. Lamb says that, okay, even if your house is like 3 miles from here, it's a fine evening, you've got legs, so you can just go run, inform your mother and come back. So Derry says that if I go back, they are not going to let me come back. But then he says, if you go home, you are not going to allow yourself to come back. What's highlighted over here. So, but here we see that Derry is kind of provoked, he is challenged, and he is ready to go and come back and maybe prove himself, right? So he says, if I chose, okay, and then Mr. Lamb says, if you choose, or if you decide, only then things will happen. And in the end Mr. Lamb says that I don't know everything, boy, I can't tell you what to do. So very clearly we see here that Mr. Lamb has given him the freedom to do what he wants. All he has said is that, I am going to go to, do my chores of the regular day that he has, and in the meanwhile he says that if you want to go, you can go ahead, if not, it's up to you. So in today's session we'll see that what happens. Is Derry going back home, and if he goes back home, is he coming back? What does he eventually decide? So, but before that, again Derry discusses something with Mr. Lamb. So he says, they tell me, do you have to agree? So here he says, they tell me. This they over here refers to people in the family. So he says that my people in my house, they tell me what to do and what not to do. So Mr. Lamb says that, do you have to agree? Do you have to agree to everything that they say? So here you will find in this paragraph a very confused, a very helpless 14-year-old boy. So he says, I don't know what I want. I want something no one else has got or ever will have. So Derry says, the fact is that I don't know what I want. And then he says, that, but then I want something that nobody has and nobody ever will have. And an example he gives, something just mine, that I want something that just belongs to me. And then he gives us this example that, like this garden, and he also says, I don't know what it is. So please pay attention to this phrase, I don't know what it is. Okay, I don't know what I want something, etc., etc. So this is a 14-year-old boy who has been time and again subdued by his parents, his family. They have brought down his confidence to zero, and they have actually over sympathized with him and have curtailed his entire freedom, as if God knows what has gone wrong with him. And they just keep treating him as if he has no brain, no legs, no hands, no sight, no tongue. But he is a fine boy. There's nothing wrong with him. So to this, he says, I don't know what I want, because till now, till date, Derry has been treated as if पता नहीं उसको क्या परेशानी हो. जबकि all he has is, I'm not saying that is it's a very little thing or a very meager thing to have half side of your face burnt, but then in comparison to the fact, and in comparison to the people who have so many other problems, at least Derry is blessed to be sane in mind, to have his hands and legs, ears, and speech and mind, so at least he can get on with his life without the challenges of the people like the ones we just discussed. So he says, I don't know what I want. So Mr. Lamb says, don't worry, there's nothing to worry, इतना परेशान होने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. You could find out. You can find out what you want. And Derry asks, how? And here, as I have highlighted, is the most important thing. He gives him 3 things to do: waiting, watching, listening. He says, you have to wait, you have to be patient, you have to watch, you have to be observant, and you have to listen. And listening involves interaction. Listening involves interacting with people. Listening involves paying attention to nature, enjoying nature. For example, singing of the bees, which actually is buzzing, but if you listen to them a little longer, buzzing is humming and humming is singing. So he says, either you sit here in my garden or you go anywhere. If you do these 3 things, you will come to know what you want. And then Mr. Lamb says, I'll have to see to the bees. He says that now I'm going, I have to go to my bees. Derry says, those are the people who come here. Do they talk to you, ask you things? Again he has a question. So Mr. Lamb says, some do, some don't. कुछ लोग आते हैं, कुछ लोग सवाल पूछते हैं, कुछ नहीं पूछते हैं. But the important part over here, which you need to understand, my dear students, he says, I ask them. Mr. Lamb says, मुझसे कोई सवाल करे ना करे, I ask them questions because I like to learn. And if you connect this line to this word listening over here, which he has given, as some sort of formula of survival. So we come to know that Mr. Lamb apparently likes interacting with people. He likes talking to people. He likes listening to people. And even if people don't talk to him, he talks to them. And he likes to socialize. And that is why the gate of his home is always open. So Derry finds it very hard to believe. As usual, Derry का यही है, 2 statement positive, बाकी 4 negative. Again 2 positive, बाकी 4 negative. But then the only good thing is that at least those 2 positive statements keep coming time and again. Until now, this boy, he has not left Mr. Lamb's premise. He is very much there. So he says, I don't believe in them. I don't think anybody ever comes. You are here all by yourself and miserable, and nobody would know if you were alive or dead, and nobody cares. See, once again he brings his pessimism, his cynical attitude, and he says कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो सच बोल रहे हैं. कहता है I don't think यहाँ कोई आता भी है. और बोलता है I think you are all by yourself. क्या आप यहाँ अकेले रहते हैं? You are miserable. There is nobody in your life. Miserable मतलब बेटा जिसकी कंडीशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब है. I am highlighting it for you. You are miserable और इतनी ज़्यादा तुम्हारी हालत ख़राब है कि even if you were alive or dead, किसी पे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So that's really rude of him. ये स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल वैसा ही है जैसा स्टेटमेंट शायद उन दोनों लेडीज ने डेरी के लिए बोला था कि that's a terrible face, that's a terrible thing to see. And a similar thing he has said over here to Mr. Lamb कि I don't think so यहाँ कोई कभी आता है. You are all by yourself. तुम अकेले रहते हो. You are miserable, you are hopeless, and nobody cares whether you live or die. So Mr. Lamb does not react at all. And he says, you think what you please. तुम्हें जो सोचना है तुम सोचो. As simple as that. Mr. Lamb is not affected by Derry's statement at all. तो अब Derry फिर परेशान. He says, all right then, tell me some of their names. कि अच्छा ठीक है, अगर यहाँ लोग आते हैं तो मुझे उनके नाम बताओ. Mr. Lamb says, what are names? नाम में क्या रखा है? It could be any name. Tom, Dick or Harry. And then he gets up and he says, I'm off down to the bees. कहता है भाई मैं जा रहा हूँ अपनी bees के पास. So Derry says, I think you're daft, crazy. Daft means children, foolish. कहता है मुझे तो लगता है तुम पागल हो, बिल्कुल mental हो. तो Mr. Lamb बोलते हैं, that's a good excuse. अच्छा बहाना निकाला है तुमने. He says, what for? You don't talk sense. कहता है excuse? What excuse? तुम तो कोई दिमाग की बात ही नहीं करते. So Mr. Lamb says, good excuse not to come back. Please explain, underline children. He says, it is a good excuse for you. तुम मुझे पागल कह रहे हो. क्योंकि तुमने ये एक्सक्यूज निकाला है मेरे पास वापस ना आने का. And you have a burnt up face, that's other people's excuse. क्योंकि तुम्हें मेरे पास वापस नहीं आना है इसलिए तुमने ये एक्सक्यूज निकाला कि मैं पागल हूं. दिस इज व्हाट मिस्टर लैम्ब इज सेइंग. और क्योंकि तुम्हें दुनिया से इंटरेक्ट नहीं करना है, तुम्हें लोगों से दूर रहना है, तो लोगों के लिए तुमने क्या एक्सक्यूज निकाला है कि मेरा फेस बर्नट अप है. पीपल आर स्केयर्ड ऑफ मी, दे स्टेयर एट मी एंड आई हेट पीपल. तो मिस्टर लैम्ब सेज दीज आर ऑल एक्सक्यूजेज, दीज आर लेम एक्सक्यूजेज. You don't want to come back to me, that is why you call me daft or foolish. You don't want to talk to people, that is why you say that they are scared of your burnt face. They think you are a devil. So Derry says, you are like the others. You like to say things like that. If you don't feel sorry for my face, you are frightened of it. And if you are not frightened, you think I am ugly as a devil. I am a devil, don't you? अब देखो, Derry is so full of contempt. कहता है तुम बिल्कुल औरों की तरह हो, तुम ऐसी बातें बोलते हो जैसे सब बोलते हैं. और बोलता है अगर तुम मेरे फेस के लिए सॉरी फील नहीं कर रहे हो, इसका मतलब तुम मेरे फेस से डरते हो. और अगर तुम मेरे फेस से डरते नहीं हो तो तुम्हें लगता है आई एम एज अगली एज अ डेविल. सिमिली कि मैं इतना बदसूरत हूं, लाइक अ डेविल. एंड देन ही सेज आई एम अ डेविल डोंट यू. और फिर खुद ही गुस्सा होकर के चिल्ला करके बोलता है, शाउट करके बोलता है कि हाँ हाँ मैं तो शैतान हूं, आई एम अ डेविल डोंट यू थिंक सो. So unnecessarily he is getting, hyper. He's losing his temper. He's getting frustrated. और क्योंकि मिस्टर लैम्ब उसकी किसी भी फ्रस्ट्रेशन का जवाब और गुस्सा होके नहीं दे रहे, he is calm and cool, तो अगेन he is feeling more, annoyed. So Mr. Lamb does not reply and he has gone to his bees. वो अपनी bees के पास चले गए, इसको वहीं छोड़ करके. और क्वाइटली फिर डेरी अपने आप को जवाब देता है. ये जो उसने क्वेश्चन करा था ना, डोंट यू, इस डोंट यू का जवाब वो खुद अपने आप को देता है और कहता है नो यू डोंट. और फिर बोलता है आई लाइक इट हियर. तो यहाँ पे क्लियरली वो खुद को बोलता है कि नहीं, मिस्टर लैम्ब मुझे डेविल नहीं समझते. एंड देन ही सेज टू हिमसेल्फ आई लाइक इट हियर. एंड डेरी गेट्स अप एंड ही शाउट्स. और वो बोलता है आई एम गोइंग but I'll come back. You see, you wait. I can run. I have gotten a tail leg. I'll be back. और चिल्लाता हुआ कहता है कि ठीक है मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं वापस आऊंगा और तुम देखो, तुम वॉच करना, मेरा कोई टिन लेग थोड़ी ना है, मेरे पैर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है, मैं भी भागता हुआ जाता हूँ, भागता हुआ वापस आता हूँ. So Derry runs off. He goes off. There is silence and the sounds of the garden again. All right. Now we come to a very, very important part of the whole chapter, my dear students. Very important. And this is that section of the play that tells you that Mr. Lamb is an extremely lonely man. Very, very lonely. He likes company, he likes talking to people, he likes interaction with people, but the fact is that he doesn't have anybody who really cares for him. तो देखो यहाँ मिस्टर लैम्ब is talking to himself. वो खुद से बात कर रहे हैं. डेरी तो चला गया अपने घर भागता हुआ, और वो खुद से बात करते हैं और क्या कहते हैं, There my dears, that's you seen too. We all know. I'll come back. They never do though. Not them. Never do come back. तो मिस्टर लैम्ब बोलते हैं कि अच्छा एक और बच्चा यहाँ से गया, चलो भाई देखो. तो ही सेज कि ऐसे तो कितने सारे लोग यहाँ से आके ये कहते हुए चले गए कि वी विल कम बैक, आई विल कम बैक, बट आज तक कोई भी वापस नहीं आया. सो ही इज सेइंग कि आई विल कम बैक, दे नेवर डू. ऐसा कई बार हो चुका है मिस्टर लैम्ब के साथ कि किसी ने कहा कि मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं आऊंगा, बट कोई भी आज तक वापस नहीं आया. एंड दिस पैराग्राफ एक्चुअली टेल्स अस दैट मिस्टर लैम्ब इज अ वेरी वेरी लोनली मैन. एंड दिस stanza, children, or this section of the play, I am going to connect it here with question number 2 of the book. This section gives you signs of loneliness and disappointment. And the other part says what are the ways in which Mr. Lamb tries to overcome these feelings. So yes, he keeps himself busy. He sits in the garden, he reads book, he makes jelly from crab apples, he makes toffee with honey, he interacts with people, he has a lovely garden. But then yes, this play tells us that Mr. Lamb is a very lonely man. He has no actual friends and he is disappointed most of the times. Because people say that they will come back, but nobody has ever come back. So a very important section of the play regarding Mr. Lamb. Now we come to scene 2. Now scene 2 is when Derry has reached his house. वो garden से तो निकल गया और वो भागता हुआ अपने mother के पास गया है. And let's see what happens here. So the conversation now is between Derry and his mother. You think I don't know about him? You think I haven't heard things? So Derry ने जाके mother को बोला होगा तो उसकी mother बोलती कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है मुझे उसके बारे में पता नहीं है, मैं सब जानती हूँ उसके बारे में. किसके बारे में? About Mr. Lamb. You shouldn't believe all you hear. तो Derry कहता अरे जो कुछ सुनो उस पर बिलीव नहीं करना चाहिए. And see children, कितना बड़ा चेंज है. यही एक लाइन थी, यही एक स्टेटमेंट था जो मिस्टर लैम ने डेरी को बोला था. लेट मी जस्ट go back to the page where I think it should be here. So yeah, you believe everything you hear. Okay, so here he had said you believe everything you hear. मतलब ये कि you shouldn't believe everything you hear. Okay, so the same answer, the same kind of response comes from Derry, which is very very surprising. तो वो अपनी मदर को बोलता है हर वो चीज़ जो सुनते हैं उस पर यकीन नहीं करना चाहिए. So the mother says, been told, warned, we've not lived here 3 months, but I know what there is to know, and you're not to go back there. So the mother says that I have been told, और मुझे लोगों ने warn भी करा है, और चाहे भले ही हम यहाँ पे सिर्फ 3 महीने से रह रहे हैं, but मुझे यहाँ पे सब कुछ पता है जो मुझे यहाँ पता होना चाहिए. Okay, and you are not to go back there. वो clearly मना कर देती है that you are not going back to Mr. Lamb again. So Derry says, what are you afraid of? What do you think he is? An old man with a tin leg, and he lives in a huge house without curtains and has a garden. And I want to be there and sit and listen to things, listen and look. तो Derry बोलता है कि आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है, आप किस चीज़ से डरती हैं? वो बेचारा ही इज एन ओल्ड मैन, उसका एक टिन लेग है, एक बड़ा घर है उसका, एक अच्छा गार्डन है, वहाँ पे कोई कर्टन्स नहीं है और मुझे वहाँ बैठना अच्छा लगता है. एंड प्लीज चिल्ड्रन अंडरलाइन हियर, ही वेरी क्लियरली सेज आई लाइक टू सिट एंड लिसन. Derry himself is claiming this thing to his mother. Listen and look. Watching, listening, thinking. यही बोला था ना मिस्टर लैम ने डेरी को, तो वही चीज वो बोलता है. तो उसकी मदर बोलती लिसन टू वर्ड, क्या सुनना है तुम्हें? तो डेरी बोलता है बीज सिंगिंग हिम टॉकिंग, कि मुझे वहां बीज की सिंगिंग सुननी है. एंड आई हैव टू लिसन टू मिस्टर लैम कि उनको क्या कहना है लाइफ के बारे में, लोगों के बारे में, तमाम चीजों के बारे में. सो द मदर आस्क्स एंड व्हाट्स ही गॉट टू से टू यू, कि उसे तुमसे क्या कहना है? सो ही सेज थिंग्स दैट मैटर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Things that matter, things nobody else has ever said, things I want to think about. And this happens to be the most important line, Derry has kind of brought up till now. He says कि मुझसे मिस्टर लैम ये सब बातें करते हैं. कैसी बातें? Things that matter, things जो आज तक मुझसे किसी ने नहीं कही हैं, और थिंग्स दैट आई वॉन्ट टू थिंक अबाउट, कि मैं जिनके बारे में सोचना चाहता हूं. सो मदर सेज तो ठीक है, देन यू स्टे हियर एंड डू योर थिंकिंग, यू आर बेस्ट ऑफ हियर. मदर कहती है ठीक है, तुम्हें जो सोचना वोचना तुम यहीं बैठ के सोचो, तुम कोई मिस्टर लैम मैम के पास नहीं जा रहे हो. एंड शी रिफ्यूजेस. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. देयर. सो Derry says I hate it here. Again Derry uses the word hate, and I think this is for the 3rd time if I'm not wrong. So he says I hate it here. अपने घर में बोलता है मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता है यहाँ. So his mother says, now the mother's attitude is so strange, and not strange, it is just the way it has always been. She says you can't help the things you say, I forgive you. It's bound to make you feel bad things and say them. I don't blame you. Please focus on the word it's bound to make you feel bad things. कहती ओहो तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है, तुम गुस्सा कर रहे हो, इरिटेट हो रहे हो, क्योंकि जो तुम्हारा मुंह जला हुआ है ना, इसकी वजह से ये सब कुछ हो रहा है, इसी की वजह से तुम ऐसा फील कर रहे हो कि तुम्हें गुस्सा आता है, और मैं तुम्हें ब्लेम नहीं कर रही हूँ. So this is like so frustrating. Derry says it has got nothing to do with my face. कि जो भी मैं फील कर रहा हूँ उसका मेरे फेस से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I don't care about that. And it isn't important. कहता है मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं है मेरे चेहरे पे क्या है क्या नहीं है, और अब मेरे लिए ये important भी नहीं है. Because now Mr. Lamb's interaction has changed his life completely. And I have already highlighted it here. क्या important है अब डेरी के लिए, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए as students, कि if the burnt face is not important, then what is important for Derry? He says, it's what I think and feel and what I want to see and find out and hear. This, my children, is the proof that a new Derry is standing in front of us. He is not the same Derry who hated people, who hated the world. No. He's saying now the burnt face is not important. Now what is important is that what I think, what I feel about things and people, what I want to see and find out and hear. And I'm going back there. कहता है मैं जा रहा हूँ वापस. Only to help him with crab apples. कि उनको crab apples उतारने, मुझे उनकी help करनी है. Only to look at things and listen. But I'm going. कहता है मुझे तो जाना है, बिल्कुल जाना है. तो मदर बोलती है you'll stop here. तो बोलता है oh no. Because if I go down back there, I'll never go anywhere in this world again. कहता है आज अगर मैं नहीं गया ना वापस, तो मैं फिर वर्ल्ड में कभी कहीं नहीं निकल पाऊंगा. और वो भागता हुआ निकलता है बेटा डोर से बाहर, पीछे डोर जोर से बंद होता है. And he runs and he's panting, he's breathless. और जोर से चिल्लाता हुआ जाता है क्या? And I want the world, I want it. मतलब मुझे पूरी दुनिया चाहिए. कहने का मतलब ये नहीं कि उसको एक्चुअली पूरी दुनिया चाहिए, मतलब everything that the world has to offer, I want to experience it, I want to enjoy it, I want to cherish it. No longer negativity, no longer frustration, no longer demotivation, no longer feeling sorry for himself, no longer getting scared of his own face, but confidently carrying himself and enjoying every small and big blessing of life. Right? And then he runs from his home back to Mr. Lamb's garden, back to Mr. Lamb's house. अब हम आते हैं scene 3 पे कि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है जब डेरी वापस आ रहा है. So Mr. Lamb's garden, there are garden sounds, the noise of a branch shifting, apples thumping down, the branch shifting again. Mr. Lamb, steady, that's, got it, that's it. More apples fall, and again, that's it, and. तो अब क्या है? Mr. Lamb ने सीढ़ी लगाई है. He's put his ladder and he's trying to bring the crab apples down. तो धीरे धीरे आराम आराम से. इतनी देर में क्या होता है? There is a creak, a crash. The ladder falls back. Mr. Lamb with it, a thump. The branch swishes back, creaks, then silence. Derry opens the gate, still panting. And what happens, my dear students? Mr. Lamb falls down. The ladder falls back और उसी के साथ Mr. Lamb falls down. और इधर Mr. Lamb गिरते हैं और उधर डेरी अंदर गेट के आता है. अब डेरी अंदर जा रहा है बहुत खुशी से चिल्लाता हुआ. You see, I came back. कहता है देखा मैंने कहा था ना मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं आ गया. You said I won't, तुमने कहा था मैं नहीं आऊंगा. And they said, मेरे घर वालों ने भी कहा था मत जाओ. But I came back, I wanted. देखो मैं आ गया क्योंकि मैं आना चाहता था. He stops और dead silence. और एकदम से वो देखता है Mr. Lamb नहीं है. And dead silence. And he runs through the grass. जहाँ apparently he is lying on the floor. And he stops and he kneel down करता है. और बोलता है Mr. Lamb, it's all right. You fell. I'm here. Mr. Lamb, it's all right. और क्या हुआ बेटा यहाँ पे वो बोलता है कि Mr. Lamb, because he fell. And remember children, यहाँ पे देखो where yes, यहाँ पे उसने कहा था कि you would die and nobody would care, किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है. और यहाँ पे यही होता है कि unfortunately poor Mr. Lamb, he falls off from the ladder and God knows what happens to him, whether he breaks his neck or what, and he dies. But he says, I am here, Mr. Lamb, it's all right. The ending of the play is very, very, very touching, very heartbreaking. क्योंकि उधर मिस्टर लैम के पास आज तक कोई नहीं आया था, और आज जब कोई लौट के आया तो मिस्टर लैम इज नॉट अलाइव. एंड ही सेज, आई केम बैक लेमी लैम, आई डिड कम बैक. कहता है, लेमी लैम, मैं आया तुम्हारे लिए वापस, आई डिड कम बैक. एंड डेरी बिगिंस टू वीप. सो दिस इज हाउ in a very, very heart touching and a very, very emotional way, the chapter comes to an end, wherein we see that a man who was very lonely and disappointed, he influences the life of this 14-year-old boy and changes him completely. And now definitely Derry is a changed person, and he is going to lead his life differently. But yes, it's sad that Mr. Lamb could not enjoy the friendship or could not enjoy the bond which he had actually initiated and created with Derry. So with this, children, I hope the chapter is quite clear to each one of you. There has been a discussion of these NCERT questions, and also I have sent you the same in your class groups. After watching these videos, if at some point you feel that there is any query, any question, please feel free to ask me. And I just hope the chapter is clear, and I also hope you are marking important things just the way I have marked here for you in the book, so that you know what's important and what's not. So with this, we finish off on the face of it, and I hope that the theme of the chapter, the content, everything is clear to each one of you. So take care and have a nice day.